Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sarah Sultan, and my student number is 0925014971. Study program English Education, Faculty, Teacher Training and Education at Universitas Pekalongan, semester 2. And now I want to make video for a final exam, English vocabulary. The title for the final project is synonym in English vocabulary. A written report exploring the definition, example, and academic significance of synonym usage in everyday and academic communication. Okay, next. What are synonyms? Synonyms are words that share the same or nearly the same meaning. They help speakers and reader avoid repetition, make communication more engaging, and express ideas with greater clarity. While synonyms appear similar, subtle differences often emerge depending on the context in which each word is used. Avoid repetition, swipe words to keep speech and retain fresh. And to clarify meaning, restate ideas so listener understand easily. And at precision, choose the word that best fits the situation. For the example, word is hard and clear. Clear and understandable. Both words emphasize that an explanation is easy to follow. Using them together reinforce the message. The explanation is clear, it's understandable. Now, hard and difficult. Both describe something that is not easy. Pairing them strengthens the sense of the challenge. An example, the sentence is, it's a hard task, very difficult. More synonym pair in context, beyond clear, understandable, and hard difficult. Speakers regularly use synonym pairs to define, emphasize, or restate ideas. Below are 7 additional pairs drawn from everyday academic conversation. Example, number 1, upset and sad, similar emotion. Replacing upset with sad make this feeling more precious. Number 2, need to act, same, have to do something, but convey urgency and responsibility for taking immediate action. Boring and dull, near synonym that reinforce a negative opinion about something uninteresting. Number 4, friendly and kind. Positive adjective combined to create a stronger impression of personality. Number 5, problem, same the issue. Issue is slightly more formal, using both at an academic tone. Number 6, wrong, same the incorrect. Both mean not correct. Together, they emphasize the mistake. And number 7, conclusion and decision, closely related in discussion. Restarting ensures the audience understand. The last example is easy and simple. Starting with a synonym improve clarity and accessibility. Okay, for next slide, I want to discuss about the article information. Okay, the article title is titled The Semantic Analysis of Lexical Relations in College-Student Interaction. The author Iputu Eka Suwardana and Nyoman Ayu Sri Handayani. Years publication 2025. Research of the objective to investigate how college students use lexical relation, synonym, antonym, and hyponym, meronym, and collocation spoken interaction and how these relations support effective academic communication. Okay, article information and the purpose of the research to explain the importance of collocation is English language learning. A collocation is a natural combination of words that are commonly used together, such as make a decision, take a break, and strong coffee. Learning this word communication combination helps students speak and write more naturally rather than translating words one by one. Okay. Next is a summary of the article. The article explains the vocabulary learning is not only about knowing the meaning of individual words, but also about understanding how words naturally combine. Students who learn collocation can communicate more fluently, articulately, and confidently. The author also discusses several effective methods for teaching collocation, this including contextual learning, interactive classroom, of corpus linguistic. This method need help understand how collocation are used in real life situations. In addition, the article emphasized that learning collocation improves speaking, written, grammar, and in cultural communication skill. If it also helps learners express their ideas in a more natural and professional way. Next, analysis of the finding according the by a according to the research finding, systematic teaching of collocation has many positive effects on many learners. Students become more fluent because they can produce natural expression instead of translating directly from their first language. The study also found that learning collocation improved grammatical as- accuracy, vocabulary retention, and confidence in communication. Furthermore, they use contextual in contextual learning and purpose-based activities make collocation easier to understand and remember. These findings suggest that collocation should be taught regularly as important part of English language introduction. Next part is a relationship to vocabulary learning. This article has a strong connection to vocabulary learning. It shows that vocabulary should not be learned as single words only. Instead, students should learn words in meaningful combination. For the example, the English speakers say make a decision, not do a decision, and take a risk, not make a risk. Learning this natural combination helps students avoid common mistakes and communicate more like native speakers. As a result, students can expand their vocabulary more effectively. Remember, new word longer and use English more naturally in both speaking and reading. Okay. The another mind finding is a synonym was the most frequently used lexical relation. Students deploy synonym to clarify meaning, emphasize ideas, and restate information, improving overall communication accuracy. Next, another another relationship to vocabulary learning. Learning a vocabulary, eh, sorry, learning synonym expand vocabulary, reduce repetition, and help learners select context appropriate words, strengthening speaking, reading, and reading proficiently. The S is correlation with vocabulary development. A positive correlation exists. Students who understand synonym communicate more effectively and express ideas more naturally across academic tasks. For the last slide is a personal reflection and reference. Before this project, I thought synonyms were simply different words with the same meaning. I know, understand they are powerful tools for clearer, more natural communication. Studying this topic revealed that synonyms help reduce unnecessary repetition and make both speaking and reading more engaging. The article showed that students frequently use synonyms during academic discussion to clarify ideas and emphasize important points, encouraging me to be more intentional about word choice. Mastering synonym will strengthen my reading comprehension, build, build confidence in class discussion, and improve my academic reading. Overall, this project expanded my vocabulary and sharpened my awareness of contextual usage and motivated me to continue learning. In another conclusion is this article shows that collocation play an important role in English language learning. They improve fluency, accuracy, vocabulary development, and communication skill. Therefore, English teachers should include collocation learning in their lesson so that students can use English more naturally and confidently. Reference for APA 7, Swardana, IPA, and Hidayanti, and NAT 2025, Semantic Analysis of Lexical Relationship in College Student Interaction. Journal of English Language and Pedagogy, Week 1. Okay, maybe that's all from me for final exam English vocabulary. The vocabulary learning is a synonym. Thank you for your attention and see you next time. Bye bye.